Hello, my name is Carolyn Gill, and I'm your Modern Language Specialist. Thanks for your interest in our programs. I'm going to take you through about a 3-minute walkthrough of the Supersite to give you a general overview of what you will see when you log into the system. Once you receive the email from me with your username and password instructions, you'll log in. You will see your textbooks down the left-hand side of the page. You can click on the cover of the textbook. The textbook you will be working with could be different than what you see here. This is just an example. You will enter your landing page where we have a trial course set up with 2 courses and some corresponding sections. In the trial course here, we have students. We don't have any assignments due, but the number would show up there if there were assignments, anything to grade, and any students that need help. We're going to go from courses to content. And we're going to take a look at the activities first, but before that, just to explain, your assessment are all of your online tests that you can administer online or also print them out through your resources. You have your My Content, which are activities that you can create within the Supersite environment. You can embed audio, video, make them your own, and those are saved right here. All of your instructor ancillaries and resources are contained under this particular heading. Your full Teacher's Edition, My Vocabulary Tool, which is an excellent study aid for students. It allows them to compile vocabulary lists and use them as a study aid outside of class. You have your VText, which is the online textbook. And you have the ebook, which is the downloadable version of the online textbook, and it can be accessed offline. We'll take a look at activities where you will see all of the activities for one strand of your corresponding textbook. You'll see that there is some iconography throughout. You have audio activities, you have textbook activities, so this activity is replicated from the book. You have instructor-graded activities, recording activities. There are a wide variety of different types of activities. Those activities that have a mouse icon are, again, replicated from the book. They are auto-graded, so they are graded automatically by the Supersite, which is a time-saving tool for you. You have various types of communicative activity, which gives students additional speaking practice outside of class. This is a virtual chat, which allows students to communicate with an avatar and record their conversation and send the file to you. And then they also have partner chats, which allow students to connect with another classmate outside of class and then record the conversation and send it to you. You can navigate through any of the strands to take a look at the content for that particular strand, and we'll quickly finish off by going up to your calendar where you will see all of your assignments appear. Students do see the same thing. Your grades, where you will find all of your grades in your grade book. You can use this as your only grade book if you'd like. It's also customizable. And communication, which contains announcements and forums. The forums are a great tool for you to post questions and for students to respond to you and to respond to their classmates. So it's another tool for communication where students are using all 3 modes. So thank you for your consideration. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.